The lies are being exposed daily. It's almost like a flood of truth coming at us because you can't even keep track of how many lies that they have told us. Um, they're going to cover the fact that their lies are being exposed, but if you're paying attention, you can see it. It's literally happening almost every minute of the day. People are exposing them, the liars, those that rule over us, those that we trust, those that have the power, the money, the connections, not going to allow us to see what's going on if they can help it. But it is coming, it's rising to the surface. The truth cannot be hidden. The truth will rise and will show itself. The demons and the enemy will do everything in its power to cover this so that people stay asleep and don't see it. But just this much people, this much effort is all it would take to uncover the lies. So, and pay attention to the truth that is rising before us. So look for it, and you'll see it. So yeah, don't let them hide it from us because it's there. It's at every turn right now, and it's gonna get worse for them. The truth is gonna start to just flood our earth because it can't be hidden forever. God is done with this. God is done with the lies, the deceit. He's been waiting. He's been long suffering. So, yeah, exposure is before us. The lies are also before us. Don't be blind to them. Take the effort. It's going to save the children. It's going to save the generations to come. The horrors that have been hidden from us are about to be exposed, and it's time that we were aware of them. So they can't be hidden forever. And the more you look for it and try to find the truth, the easier it's going to be because it's coming. That's all there is to it. Alrighty, thank you.